Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix blurry textures in Roblox. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type Roblox. Right click on the Roblox and select open file location. Again right click on the Roblox and select open file location. Now right click on the Roblox player beta and select properties. Select the compatibility tab and checkmark run this program as in compatibility mode for Windows 8 and checkmark run this program as an administrator and checkmark disable full screen optimization and now select change high DPI settings. Checkmark overwrite high DPI scaling behavior and set this to application and click on OK and select apply and OK for save changes. Do the same thing for Roblox player launcher. Just right click and select properties. Now your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.